Gaikhangam calls upon people to work collectively to upgrade the border trade in Moreh to international level. Education Minister Okendro urges students to do away with the habit of not attending classes regularly. And India Manipur polo team thrashed England polo team 12-3 in the 9th Manipur Polo International. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News and I'm Kishore Chandra Wangkipcha with the top stories and latest news till this hour of the day. Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam has called upon the people to work collectively to upgrade the border trade in Moreh to international level. Gaikhangam today inaugurated a multi-story market complex at Moreh. The market complex was built under the assistance of two states for development of export infrastructure and allied activities aside scheme of Ministry of Commerce and Industries near the gate number 2 on the border town. He said after the government of India realized the importance of Manipur, it is giving due attention to the state. The Deputy Chief Minister appealed to the people to unite for the promotion of border trade. He maintained that the border trade should benefit the people on this side of the border. He fervently appealed to the people to take advantage of the Lok East policy. The complex has 82 shops, basement parking, VIP suites and cafe. It may be mentioned that the foundation for the complex was laid by Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam and Commerce and Industries Minister Govindas Konthojam on September 13th in 2012.
Aigi imung da can find out the labor development nati. I could resource through this small market. We call it Nampalong. Drain out already. Migi resource mayamado. I could drain in to them. Number 2, the Satana Mahali put mayam talk to now. I could number 1 channels officialized order. Trades is a cotton upon the sea had Tanzania. Madura I could
Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam and Secretary of Ministry of Commerce and Industries Rita Tiostias inspected the integrated checkpost near Moreh Gate number 1. The Commerce Secretary expressed shock and dissatisfaction when she saw only 5 to 6% working at the post which is being constructed under the India government. She said what should be done will be made known after she reaches Delhi. The construction of the integrated checkpost began in 2012. Indo-Myanmar Friendship Chamber of Commerce, IMFCC Moreh today submitted a memorandum to Secretary Commerce and Industry, Government of India Rita Tiotia in relation with the border trade. IMFCC Secretary General T. Saiboy Haukip said steps will be taken for expanding the Indo-Myanmar trade from December 1 in association with Chamber of Commerce, Myanmar.
Moreh chawkhat patadi ekhoi Manipur chawkhat le Manipur chawkhat patadi ekhoi India chawkhat le haibasi ekhoi na principle na chatpi gani aduloina na ekhoi na ada Burma gi Chamber of Commerce Second Division oishunu Kale Division oishunu ayambada ekhoi na friendship phajana simraga andak lakadaba mathangi 1st December onwards ekhoi na trading se phajana broadly focus tawraga chawkhat na nangaida ekhoi na
Education Minister Moirangthem Okendro today vehemently urged the college students to change the habit of not attending regular classes in the state. Speaking at a Golden Jubilee celebration of All Manipur College Teachers Association held at Modern College Porompat, M. Okendro said the government is making all possible efforts to fill up the vacant posts for college teachers and regularization of part-time teachers is being delayed due to financial constraints. Founding members and office bearers of the association were felicitated with memento and shawl. A souvenir was also released at the occasion. In his speech, Member of Parliament Dr. T.H. Maina, who also happened to be a former college teacher, maintained that teaching is one of the most respectable professions and appealed to the teacher to always maintain the integrity and dignity of the profession. Teachers of government and aided colleges took part in the celebration.
Ozani, equivalent of 6 hands of the Missy Ozani Mapapa, and he's very sorry. I don't know, since for a play card, but I'm going to use it. Yari Kisu, we're going to again. I don't know, I'm already ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯈꯩꯗꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯆꯨꯝꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯆꯨꯝꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯒꯦ ꯌꯥꯔꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯖꯥꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯥꯖꯒꯦ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯑꯅꯧꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ.
Senior Advocate Namoyjam Ibotombi Singh has been appointed Additional Advocate General in the High Court of Manipur. He was the first Chairman of Bar Council of Manipur and Legal Advisor to Public Works Department, Board of Secondary Education Manipur and other departments. Prince Al Jabra Khaled Wafd Sheikh of Saudi Arabia today laid foundation of higher education at Kabaisoi Azam Nagar in Imphal East. The event was organized by Jamia Halima Aziz Educational Trust. Prince Al Jabra Khaled Watband praised the people of the state for their great hospitality shown to him. He said those following the religion Islam should strictly follow the teachings of Prophet Muhammad and maintain peace in the world. Prince Al Jabra Khaled Watband invited Muslim brothers to visit Mecca during the Hajj pilgrimage.
इस्लाम की मरकज ओरिबा सेंगलबा मफम मक्का मुकर्रमादगी थाफ्रबा मफम मसिदा लैरगा नखोइना अल्लाह की दीन नसिदा मपुंग फाना चटप ngमनब होनरिबा अमसुम मदुगी दमक्ता नखोइना स्कूल कॉलेज अमदी मदरसा सिंग कायम तोरगा मसिदा तमनिबा ngang सिंबु दीन की इस्लाम की ओइबा फजबा सक्तम गलोइना मखोइदा नॉलेज बिबिरिबा दुनिया आखिरत माई पांगबगी दमक तम खोइबु लमजिंग बिरिबासी यकीनन तसेंगनमक थागतनिंगाइनी.
International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women was jointly observed in Manipur by Women Action for Development in collaboration with NGOs and various civil society organizations at Sangai Hall Hotel in Imphal. The theme of the day was From Peace in the Home to Peace in the World, Way Towards Speedy Justice. Ward Secretary Sobita Mangsatapam said for the year 92 cases of crimes against women were reported to Ward till date. Victims of the crimes shared their experience at the function. Reverend Prim Wi-Fi, Dr. S. Ibocha, DIG Range 2, Arun Iringbam, Editor HL Express, and Dr. Chinglin Maisnam were among the speakers.
And decision making it amata no pieces na masana magi role ma aizu Pidaman, Pazama Punk can get me hide na lip at the chong the bag loud the Hoy Kotaka, no piggy Kotaka, PBO, and hide the lady. Kota system that I could reserve and then some whole way, the man no pina, society, some another, was in no pina sing here, other Maggie Rolama, Subsaba Rolama, assert of the Mahuta, Mana, Yama submissive, Yama Hajan ones about Mapan Tamba. Wing
Manipur convener Nonibala Naringbam today said the highest number of crime against women is recorded in Manipur. Nonibala Naringbam said the sex ratio and illiteracy rate in the state is slipping down. She said Manipur has 70.26% female and 83.58% male literacy rate. The sex ratio has dropped to 700 female per 1,000 male in 2011 census from 985 female per 1,000 male in 2001 census. She was speaking on the sidelines of the international campaign on the 16 days of activism against gender-based violence held at Tribal Research Institute, Chingmirong. The campaign was jointly organized by Wing Manipur and Manipur State Legal Service Authority. The campaign aims to create awareness about gender-based violence as a human rights issue in local, national, regional and international level. Survivors of the violence against women shared their experiences in the campaign.
Awaba Tarakanda people compensation to Nataba, Awaba Tajingada, Karam protection mechanism, sing say Koi Sarkadagi, Koi plan of action, Makoina, Wing Manipuna, Koina demand Zeri, domestic violence, Koina separate department, Amo, Koina Thamba Pame, Commission for Women say, Masi Koi Mapangan, Swana Labese, Masi Sima Magi Hapam took personnel sings Hapiraga, Masi strengthen the view, Masung Lupi Singi, Tampam later Wakat sing say, Masi Commission Sida Wapam Koi Magi, any grievance, any awaba sing say, Harry Bampam said the Mating Pang view have a second government the demand of 7.
One person was killed and at least 7 were injured in a road mishap at Kaisampa traffic point today. The unfortunate accident occurred early this morning around 3 when a Tata Magic bearing registration number MN01W2070 and a Bolero with the number MN01G1697 collided head-on near the traffic point. An occupant of the Tata Magic died on the spot while another occupant sustained injuries. The occupants of the Bolero were also hurt. An auto rickshaw driver and a cyclist also sustained injuries in the mishap. All the injured were rushed to RIMS. Family has collected the body of the deceased after post-mortem. Now, officers today visited the Shanghai Festival venue to check if the food stalls are maintaining the food safety regulation during the festival. A team led by Food Safety Officer Imphal East T.H. Chunil inspected the food stalls along with the media person this afternoon. Most food stalls were found not strictly following the food safety regulation in the preparation of the food items. The officers briefed him on the importance of maintaining food safety regulation and provided gloves, masks and caps free of cost. Food Safety Officer T.H. Sunil said the drive was to ensure safe consumption of food at these stalls by the visitors to the festival and prevent health hazard. He said stalls which do not follow the regulation will be closed.
Koi sari thai ba yoliba ado packet food oina yoliba mayam se koi na ngasi ga noi mangani se koi lepa laitana koi drive sa thajari aduga ngasi koi na special program oina makoi da koi gi food handler hai tare kisal jing da lairiba koi gi employee moi person worker sing jina koi gi marks option da ba adagi koi gi cap uptaba apron uptaba ade khujin khoya sangbra personal hygiene gi hai tare suma mayam jing ja koi na ngasi check toroga makoi de awareness piba program ni.
Wife of Taurem Tombisana alias Ton, 31 has clarified that her husband has no connection with any underground outfit. A combined security team arrested Tombisana, son of Tomba, from Patsoi Part 1 on the 21st of this month. Speaking to media present at Manipur Press Club, she said her husband works as a goldsmith and takes care of the family. She appealed to all concerned to release him on humanitarian ground and urged civil society organization to extend cooperation.
Sana suraga hingjabani piglib isa ani siga magi chara tanjara khusara hingjabani magi maran kari no duga achumaran do thiga piru mabu tekter kaidana thadok piru organization myamna su mateng pangbiyu hain KHP yaw khorpa su laite dubu chindok piru haina miyam daina pawjinde.
Now, members of Shillong Chamber Choir expressed their desire to perform again at a bigger platform in Manipur. Interacting with the media at Classic Grande after their spectacular performance at Boat last evening that enthralled the audience, choir member William said yesterday's performance was one of their best performances ever and the sound, the stage and the light were beyond what they had expected. Maintaining that support from the audience helped them stage such a wonderful and unforgettable performance. William, however, added that they felt sad for those who could not enter the overcrowded boat and that they want to perform again on a bigger stage in future. The choir group left Imphal this afternoon. Mention may be made that the Shillong Chamber Choir won the prestigious reality TV show India's Got Talent.
We wanted to reach out to the people of Manipur and through our music, and that's why we learned whatever we learned. And then after the show we felt that, especially the end when we sang Hing Mi Na Siye Khoi and everybody stood up and they were singing together and we were all there communicating with them. That was, I felt, the highlight of the show, was when we were all singing that song together and they were all shouting Hing Mi Na Siye Khoi, Hing Mi Na Siye Khoi, you know, because it's such a diverse land. And to sing a song of unity like that, I felt it had a meaning, and we will definitely go back home and we feel really blessed.
Hi Manipur, we are the Shillong Chamber Choir and you are watching Impact TV.
Now, Kanglei Park Students Association KSA will celebrate the 10th Foundation Day on the 27th of this month. The association has appealed to all, especially the teachers and students, to participate in the celebration. Prizes will also be presented to the winners of the state-level painting competition held on October 18 on the day. All Manipur Kidney Transplant Patients Welfare Association in the press release said a general body meeting will be held on November 29 at 10 a.m. at Sinam Shama Devi Town Hall, Chingmerong, Maning Laikai. Incidence of cancer has been rising alarmingly in the hilly northeastern region of India. Almost half the cases can be traced to consumption of tobacco products. In a telling remark on the need for stricter policy measures and health reforms, The Ministry of Development of Northeast India, DONER, has said that the prevalence of cancer is highest in the country among the northeastern states. According to experts, Nagaland is among the top 3 states in the country, while the highest number of cancer cases in India. It may be worth mentioning that Union Minister of State, Independent Charge for Development of Northeastern Region, DONER, Dr. Jitendra Singh, announced a set of super specialty course for doctors from the 8 northeastern states on November 20. Dr. Jitendra Singh had said the decision to make a beginning with super specialty training on oncology was prompted by the statistical figures, which indicated that the prevalence of cancer is the highest in the country among the northeastern states, with Mizoram, Nagaland and Meghalaya among the first 3 states with highest cancer prevalence, predominantly the cancer of head and neck. Now the news from the world of sports. India-Manipur polo team thrashed England polo team 12-3 in the 9th Manipur Polo International held as a part of Shanghai Festival, whereas Australia polo team trounced the Thailand polo team by 8-4 in another match. The tournament is organized by Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association at the oldest living polo ground, Mapal Kangjebung in Imphal. Thailand will take on England and Australia will play India-Manipur tomorrow. Indigenous Games of Manipur, which are being organized by Manipur Tourism Department, Arts and Culture Department at Hapta Kangjebung as part of Manipur Shanghai Festival, is catching the attention of the visitors. With an aim to popularize Thang Ta, Old Manipur JB Association is showcasing JB at the festival. JB is a form of sparring for practicing Thang Ta without using the actual sword or thang. Other indigenous games like Mukna, Sarit Sarat, Thang Yanaba, Ta Chainaba, Thang Ta Yanaba, etc. were showcased at the festival. The spectators and the tourists who watched these indigenous games expressed satisfaction for providing a chance to view such games.
Samana Shanghai Festival lakpada akhoi thang ta ge uba phangmo se yam nungai aduga akhoi na khangdaba mayam aduga akhoi ge halnaga phamjariba somda aduga naha ma samai lai habe je khoi nagai pangnu ude adu yam nungai Shanghai Festival lakpada ki sumu uba sam nungai je
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है इतना अच्छा कि मैंने पहली बार कभी देखा है अक्सर तंबोला तो देखा है बाकी ऐसा गेम कभी नहीं देखा
मुल्लुरबा काइनुगुमने बसिते आदा आदा नाउना मुलोय तासिंग पुथोरपसे याम नुंगाय येंगबदे नुंगाय फजेबा
Shanghai Festival is a sigum Manipur yoba traditional game utpaji asukimati thamoi da nungai ba ma phauji
An exhibition match of Kang was held today at Manipur Kangshan Kumalam Park Sports Complex as part of the ongoing Manipur Shanghai Festival 2015 with an aim to promote the traditional games of the state. The exhibition match played between Irai Manupi Kankut and Chinglei Manupit Kankut was organized by Manipur Kang Association under the aegis of the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports. On the other hand, the exhibition match for men's was played between Thangjing Kankut and Marjing Kankut in the afternoon. Thangjing Kankut defeated Marjing Kankut by 14-9. Kang players of Manipur, Hojai, Kashar and Halai Kandi attended the exhibition matches. Consultant Manipur Government R.K. Nimai, retired IAS, Director and Joint Director of the Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, presented gifts to the players. Imphal West District Football Association beat DSA Kakching by 5-1 in the 27th Junior Boys Inter-District Football Tournament today, as Netrajit scored 3 goals and TH Kishan and A. Kinesh scored 1 goal each for Imphal West District Football Association. In another match, Imphal East District Football Association and DSA Southern Hills were drawn 1-1. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Football Association at Artificial Turf Ground, Kumalam Park. A team of Neroka FC, which will take part in the second match of the second division Indian I-League, left Imphal for Guwahati today. The team, consisting of 21 players and 6 officers, were flagged up at Hotel Classic Grande, Chingmairong this afternoon. Neroka FC will meet Guwahati FC at Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, Guwahati on the 28th of this month, and then meet Gangtok FC at Gangtok on December 5. 3 Nigerian players are in the 21 team member In their first match of the I-League, Neroka FC played against Hyderabad FC in Imphal.
Guwahati FC je khoi ke sanabada dum lamba chagni khali player afaba sing je senior orakanda akhoi gi de I-League kuma team leitabni moi I-League ki team gum chatkhiba aduna khoi Manipur ki team je sonjabani adubu atopa ting I-League ta lingiba team sing da sum yengu kan di Manipur ma chama yam yauri anun takpadi player sondabadi nateba khoi sida facility do lei no moi chatkhibani adubu khoi na dum facility do piradi sigum player ma panda saniba player me am je khoi Manipur sanabi ragadi Manipur ki team je afaba I-League ki afaba team am oine thaji.
The 7th AMFA Senior Women's Football League for BM Singh Trophy will begin from the 29th of this month at Artificial Turf Ground, Kumalampak. AMFA General Secretary in a press release said YWC Langthabal, ESU Wangkai, Kripsa Naurem Thong, NYTHC Okram Chutek and MPSC Manipur will take part in the tournament. Now before we wind up, here's a quick reminder of the headlines once again. Gaikangam calls upon people to work collectively to upgrade the border trade in Moreh to international level. Education Minister Okendro urges students to do away with the habit of not attending classes regularly. And in India, Manipur polo team thrashed England polo team 12-3 in the 9th Manipur Polo International.